Hey folks, Joey Image here with another unboxing and short demo video for you. This will probably be really short. So a lot of people have seen these ads on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I guess not so much on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook though. In fact, I saw this one on Facebook. It linked to Amazon. I bought it on Amazon. It's one of these wacky iPhone cases that have an emulator built in. So it's got 36 games. It says it somewhere. There we go, at the bottom there, 36 classic games. So they're all like old school NES games. So I thought it would be it was like $11 or something like that. I thought it would be cool to kind of buy this and check it out and like see, I don't know, see how crappy it is, see how good it is, whatever. So we are going to unbox this right now. I mean, it's not even like in a sealed thing, like it literally just slides up and it comes out like this. It's in a little plastic tray. Comes with obviously the case itself. I'll put that aside for now. And come on, buddy, a micro USB cable for charging, which you don't actually need your phone to even be in this for it to work because it's got its own separate battery. I do like the fact that it comes with a screen protector right on the front. You can see right there. I haven't taken this off yet because I just unboxed it now. I guess I will put this on my phone just for the purposes of this video, but you don't need it on there to use it for it to work. So I've got the iPhone 11 Pro, and I don't like the way it feels. It's super heavy and bulky. It almost doesn't feel like it's really on there tightly, but I mean, it's on there tight, but I don't know, just something feels off. But anyway, there you go. So, again, you don't even need the phone in this for it to work. It's because it's got its own battery. So I'm going to take the screen protector off right now, which does not come off on its own. Okay. Well, that didn't help. Oh my God. We're off to an amazing start here. So it didn't actually pull the screen protector off, which is weird because I can still see it kind of on there. If I had fingernails, I'd be able to take this off. Oh, there we go. All right, so let's take that off. And it looks pretty good. I don't know how, let me see, which one of these is power? All right, so on, off, reset, AB, sound, and SP. There's an SP button. I don't know what that means. There's no kind of manual or instructions or anything like that with this. There's just nothing. So there's instructions on the inside of it that basically just tells you. Oh, there goes my phone. Just tells you how to put the phone in it. There you go. So I'm just gonna do this the way it is. I don't have a second camera to actually shoot at this, so I'm gonna pause this right now, grab my GoPro, and I will do this in front of that so you can actually see it at work. So just give me a second here and I'll be right back. All right, so as you can see, on, off, wait a minute, I haven't even done anything yet and the on, off button fell out. All right, that's not a good sign. All right, crisis averted. I apologize for the glare there. As you can see, this screen is a fingerprint magnet. So anyway, on, off, select. You can see at the bottom there, that's what I was talking about before, SP and start, or sorry, SP and sound, AB, and then directional. So let's turn this on and check it out. So sound actually doesn't do anything but volume, so that's what that is. That's lowest, or that's mute, level 1, level 2, level 3. Mute, 1, 2, 3. It's not very loud. But anyway, let's see what we've got here. English, yes. Alright, so here's what we've got for games. I will just run through these very quickly. Left to right, Super Contra, Super Mario, Tetris, Boom Man, I don't know what the hell that is. Galaga, Excite Bike. I apologize for the A little bit of blurriness here. Donkey Kong, Balloon Fight, Spartan X, which I believe is Spartan X. Is that Metroid or is that God of War or Ninja Gaiden? You know what? We're gonna try Spartan X and see what it is. I don't remember. Where's start? Start is A, I think, or B. Okay, or it's not either one of those. Oh, I guess. Oh, that's right. Spartan X is Kung Fu. So I guess SP is start. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, this is terrible. So it doesn't really have sound. It's got the music, but it doesn't have like the you know what I mean? When you're kicking. That was actually just good luck jumping over the knife right there. So when you're kicking in the actual game, it makes a noise like hiya or something like that. It actually is not doing that here. It's just the sound of your foot kicking the dude in the face, which is kind of cheesy. Doesn't even give you like the give music here. Yeah, so you get the music here. That all sounds fine, but you don't get the actual sound when you knock out the boss either. Alright, so how do I get back now? Oh, so SP means start / pause. Alright, so how do I go back to the screen? Alright, I hit reset. There we go. Alright, so Spartan X, which is Kung Fu, Arkanoid, 5 chess, Mahjong, and the next page, Ice Climber, Pac-Man, Original Mario Brothers, Tennis, F1 Racing, Battle City, I don't know what that is, Puyan, I don't know what that is either, Circus, I don't know, Pinball, Soccer, Load Runner. That one I might not say. I don't know what the hell that is. And then here's the last one. Olympic, 94-2, Macross, Star Force, Bomb Jack, Sky Destroyer, Badminton, that was a game? I don't remember that being on NES. Road Fighter, Chinese Chess, Urban Champion, Mappy. Mappy was a mouse, I do remember that. Penguin, Kun Wars, whatever the hell that is. So let's try, let's find out what, well, I know what tennis is. There was one over here that I didn't know what it was. Battle City. So A is start in this game. It's Battle City. Okay, I don't know what this is. So we hit start right here. Stage 1. Again, I apologize for the crappy video. This is not seeming to be focusing. And how long does it take to start stage 1? That's weird. I have no idea what this is or what I'm supposed to do or anything. I'm a tank. I just blow up stuff, I guess. This was an NES game? Because this feels like it's an Atari game. I don't remember this at all. If anyone remembers this game, let me know, please. Because I don't. So anyway, I mean, that's basically... I mean, you get the idea. What else is there to show? I will go to some old school Super Mario here. Oh my god. Alright, on that note, I can't believe I died in Super Mario right there. On that note, let's turn this off. And I'll be right back.